Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated lemon zesters. A single lemon zester in your kitchen goes a long way. With it, you can add a ton of aroma to your dish, which is why so many cooking enthusiasts need one in the kitchen. Although a lemon zester has one simple function, it can be hard to choose the best one out of the numerous options on the market. Preferably, the blade part must be made out of high-quality steel and must be rust-resistant as well. The handle must provide a firm grip, and its size and ease of use must match your preferences. To save you from all the hassle of finding the best one, we have prepared for you a list of the 7 highest-rated lemon zesters available today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the zesters that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first lemon zester on our list is the Integrity Chef Lemon Zester. This lemon zester is crafted with premium materials and is designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. For easy storage, the zester features a hole in its handle, allowing you to hang it on a hook for easy storage. In terms of size, the zester measures 13.2 by 1.4 by 1.4 inches and weighs 4.3 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Integrity Chef Lemon Zester a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-quality stainless steel material. The steel is made with rust-free, high-quality stainless steel material, ensuring that it will never rust and will hold its razor-sharp edge perfectly for years. Ergonomic handle. The zester's handle is non-slip, making it secure to the grip. In addition, it is BPA-free, making it safe for the family. Antibacterial cover. The cover protects your fingers from its blades while you store them. This feature also keeps the blades safe from damage. Easy to clean. This lemon zester is extremely easy to clean by hand and is also dishwasher safe. This saves you the time and effort of cleaning those razor-sharp blades. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is be wary of its sharpness. Its super sharp teeth might require you to buy some gloves to protect your nails and fingers. You may also want to purchase a brush to clean it, since it can tear your dishcloth or sponge. The second lemon zester on our list is the Raniaco Lemon Zester. The Raniaco is a highly versatile tool that can grind a wide variety of ingredients. It is non-toxic and odorless, while featuring a silicone foot that adjusts the angle of the zester tool and keeps the zester more stable while you use it. In terms of size, the zester measures 12.9 by 1 by 1 inches and weighs 0.8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Raniaco Lemon Zester a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. The non-slip silicone handle allows for maximum grip and control of the toughest ingredients. Easy to clean. The zester is super easy to clean by hand, while it is also dishwasher safe for your convenience. Plastic protective case. This keeps its blades safe from damage during storage, while it also protects your fingers from accidents. High-quality stainless steel. The blades are made with premium quality stainless steel that keeps them sharp for longer and will not rust. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is a bit aggressive, as it zests much deeper than a microplane. The third lemon zester on our list is the Deiss Lemon Zester. The Deiss features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that will not rust, allowing for enhanced longevity. In addition, its curved sides make it extremely rigid, enabling you to apply the optimal amount of force when needed. In terms of size, the zester measures 15.2 by 2.13 by 1.42 inches and weighs 4.9 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Deiss Lemon Zester a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. The zester features a long enough handle that does not slip while providing you with a comfortable zesting experience. It also features multiple dots that give extra grip, allowing you to use it even with wet hands. Rubber foot. The rubber cover keeps the zester still on any surface to allow for a stable and consistent grind. Protective cover. It keeps your hands safe while not in use and protects the blades from bumps while you store it. Dishwasher safe. You can confidently place this inside the dishwasher since intense hot water flows will not affect the zester's sturdy structure. Keeping all that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: its size can be a bit too long for other users who want a more compact tool. The microplanes are angled to zest a lot of material in fewer strokes, which is why you have to be extra careful while zesting. The fourth lemon zester on our list is the Microplane Lemon Zester. While this tool is typically used to grate citrus or cheese, it is also capable of processing nutmeg, cinnamon, and even chilies to make fresh ground powders. It is also good to note that the zester is easy to clean and can be placed in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. To match your preferences, it comes in various colors, namely black, dark blue, and green, just to name a few. In terms of size, the zester measures 12.6 by 1.38 by 1.18 inches and weighs 3.88 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Microplane Lemon Zester a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: an innovative set of razor-sharp teeth. This functions to take the rind directly off the citrus fruit, leaving behind the bitter white pit. Use of photo etch technology. This ensures that the blades are ultra-sharp for optimum zesting. Made of surgical-grade stainless steel. This ensures that the metal blade is rust-free and maintains sharpness over a long period of time. Magnetic features. This allows it to be hung on your magnetic knife strip for proper storage. Non-scratch end tabs. They are designed to prevent the zester from scratching or damaging countertops. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: zest accumulates on the underside of the tool, but this is a common problem for all zesters. The fifth lemon zester on our list is the BelleGuppy Lemon Zester. This zester by BelleGuppy can be used to effortlessly zest ingredients such as lemons, oranges, coconuts, as well as garlic, nutmeg, and chocolate. It features a long and narrow rasp blade that will not rust over time, while its silicone non-slip handle allows for maximum grip. We would also like to highlight its included brush that allows you to clean the zester with ease. In terms of dimensions, the zester measures 13 by 0.6 by 1.6 inches and weighs 3.36 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BelleGuppy Lemon Zester a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to clean. This zester can be easily washed by hand with a bit of water and a cleaning brush. On top of that, it can simply be placed in the dishwasher. Protective case. This comes with this zester to keep it safe from any damage during storage as well as to protect your hands from cuts. Non-slip foot. This prevents the zester from slipping and scraping, keeping it steady as you process ingredients. Highly durable. This zester's stainless steel frame backs its solid build and long lifespan. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: it is a bit challenging to put the protective cover on at first. The sixth lemon zester on our list is the Ourokhome Lemon Zester. The Ourokhome Lemon Zester features a certain curvature that allows for more irregular teeth on the blade. This ensures that the blades come into maximum contact with the ingredients. Additionally, this feature significantly reduces the time you spend preparing food. For easy storage, you can find a hole in the handle to hang your tool from hooks in your kitchen for proper storage. In terms of size, the zester has dimensions of 16.61 by 1.97 by 1.22 inches and weighs 3.52 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ourokhome Lemon Zester a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomically designed handle. The handle is expertly designed in accordance with human mechanics so that you can grip it comfortably in your palm while you use it. High durability. The blade and frame are made in Germany and are crafted with high-quality thickened 304 stainless steel. This prevents the blade from deforming, allowing you to process the ingredients with ease. Dishwasher safe. The blade can simply be placed in the dishwasher to save you the time and effort of hand washing it. Included cleaning brush. A specially designed brush is included in the set which allows you to clean the zester underwater. Protective cover. This ensures that the blade will not hit any surfaces while you store it. This also protects your hands as you try to reach for it from inside your cabinet or drawer. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is lemon peel can get stuck on the underside after using it, but you can easily rinse or brush it off. The 7th lemon zester on our list is the OXO Lemon Zester. The OXO Zester is the ideal tool for processing a wide variety of ingredients. Its etched stainless steel surface stays sharp while it is designed with a pattern that produces a fine zest. In terms of size, the zester measures 1 by 4.6 by 14.9 inches and weighs 4.9 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the OXO Lemon Zester a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Comfortable handle. A soft non-slip handle ensures a comfortable yet firm grip while you process the ingredients. Non-slip foot. This ensures stability and control for those rigorous grating jobs. Convenient cover. It keeps your hands as well as the zester's grating surface protected when not in use. Easy to clean. While the zester is easy to clean by hand, it is also top-rack dishwasher safe. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the zester won't dig in deep and basically just skims the surface. This is beneficial though if you prefer less pit with the zest. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated lemon zesters, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next lemon zester roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.